Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here. This is the #1 place for new and advanced traders. In this short video, I am going to cover some of the coins and some of the stock options that we've played over the last week or two, just to show you guys some of the results some of our members are having. And if you guys like that content, well, stay tuned. All right, guys, so today is Wednesday, June 3rd. In the Discord today, in the paid alert service, if you guys are part of that, we called out Twitter this morning at around 10 a.m. to get the $34 option calls. And as you can see, Twitter ripped 8% today, hitting $35. All right, so we're talking about, we called this out at 10 a.m. this morning, okay, when the stock price was right around $33. All right, $33.50, I believe, like right around this candle. I called it out, and I said, hey, the candles are going white. So when the candles go white, this is our STP overbought and oversold indicator. It lets us know where the momentum is coming in. And usually when the candles start to go white, you're talking about a big move up. So we alerted that to our subscribers today, and we had a gentleman make almost $1,000 on this trade. I'm going to show you that real time and right now. So here it is, guys. In our Discord channel, you can see this under STP trade results. Okay, the gentleman's name here is Masters, and he took the weekly Twitter calls and closed an $840 profit. Okay, guys, that is basically 21 months of paid service here. All right, you do the math. That's almost 2 years of service in one trade. Now, I believe this gentleman just joined the alert service within the last week or so, and I have yet to really speak to him, but I would assume that he's very happy with the service right now. Okay, so this was one of the trades today. Last week we called out NEO to get for this week's expiration the $4 option calls. As you guys can see, we called this out on the 28th of May. Okay, $4 option calls. I must have called it out in the open, and that's fine. Guess what? If you traded this swing, your option is up a ton right now. Okay, it has got to be up at least a couple 100% since entry. Let me show you guys where the option call was made and when. All right, so under alerts, stocks and options, here it is. NEO, $4 calls, 528. This was definitely at the open, I remember, because this was right after the earnings, and the earnings didn't go so well. And that's fine, but I said get next week's expirations, so obviously expiring this week, and guess what? Big move up, okay? Let's go through some of the other ones, okay? We had DLTR, that was an earnings play. DLTR last week, I believe that hit close to $100. There it is, boom, right after the earnings. I said get $100 options. We hit $100 way before that, so that this option price definitely went up because of this volatility here. Okay. We had Zoom calls, weeklies for this week. Hey guys, this was 198 Zoom calls. Today, Zoom is over $223, okay? You're talking about more than a 10% gain on an option. That's going to be easily more than a 100% gain, all right? And if you guys like this content, make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe bell and tick that little bell to get all of our notifications. All right, let's go through some of the crypto calls this week. We had Data BTC. This was one that we called out. I believe it was on Monday, and I called it around a 600 Satoshi area. So basically right here towards the bottom of this pattern that it's in. It's in a falling wedge. All right, now I thought that maybe it'd get close to this yellow line, this 700 area. It didn't quite get there. I believe it just touched 700 this morning. Okay, but still, I'm talking about 98 sats, entry of 600. Just do some quick math. That's like right around 20%, right? Here you go, 16.3%. Okay, in one day. That's a nice move and nice trade. All right, let's get to some other cryptos here that we called out. So let's see. Data, yep. We had Kyber Network, that was on Friday, we called that out. And I believe it made the move within that same day, Kyber Network. We called it out on the 28th at around 7,100 sats, I believe. And it ran here, and here you go. Here's the Swing Trade Pros official trading view trade idea. This is where I posted it. And it went to 7,750 sats, okay? Entry was right here around this 7,100 area. Okay, you're talking again about a 10% gain in not even one day. All right. Now I understand that there's some cryptos that have been going nuts right now, and maybe I didn't get those, and that's fine. But guess what? We're always here trying to improve the service and get you guys making some nice earnings here with crypto and the stock options. And if you guys like this content, make sure you guys hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and take that little bell to get all of our notifications. We got some great updates for you here in the next video about the bots and where we're going with those. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video.